New Mexico provides judgment creditors with standard enforcement tools in a community property state where the marital framework can expand access to marital assets. Here is the complete guide. Judgment interest rate. New Mexico judgments accrue interest at 8.75% per year, a solid rate. Judgment duration. New Mexico judgments are valid for 14 years from the date of entry. Recording the judgment line. In New Mexico, a judgment becomes a lien on real property in a county when it is filed in the district court of that county and transcribed in the judgment docket. Wage garnishment. New Mexico follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula with a 40 times state minimum wage protected floor, 25% of disposable earnings, or the excess above 40 times New Mexico's minimum wage per week, whichever is less. Homestead exemption. New Mexico's homestead exemption is $60,000, a moderate protection leaving real estate equity above this threshold accessible. Community property. New Mexico is a community property state. Community debts can be enforced against all community property, potentially including both spouses' wages and jointly acquired assets. This expands creditor access for community obligations beyond what an equitable distribution analysis would allow. No tenancy by the entirety. New Mexico does not recognize tenancy by the entirety. Community property rules govern marital joint ownership. Bank levy. New Mexico allows execution against bank accounts and personal property through a writ of execution. Debtor examination. New Mexico allows post-judgment examination of the debtor to identify assets available for execution. People Locator skip tracing provides New Mexico debtor investigation, including community property asset analysis. Visit peoplelocatorsskiptracing.com to place your order.